Four changes, order facing Naib Rana, who's ready to go.
Time for the action. Presents the full face of the bat. Different batters in the sense. Gurbaz like
Same first off as you. Inter movement away.
drives. Sublime stroke from Gurbaz. Should trickle into the boundary for 4. Afghanistan off the mark. Gurbaz off the mark with a boundary through the covers.
The field has disappeared, and that's
Nice carry through to the wicket keeper. 2 men. Nationalistic cricket. Ikram Ali kill. Hint of movement away from the right-hander.
Hasan Mahmood was impressive in the first. Hits the right length at a good pace.
Quite good astute. Gets a bouncer, straying down the leg side. Should run away to the boundary for 4.
In the mark, did not go away from the
Trap movement, also bouncing.
options for Bengal. The front, I think, has done really well. Keep a note of is the length, and this occasion, it's the middle of the bat of Gurbaz. No movement off the seam or in the air, but certainly from the middle of the bat, creams through extra cover for a boundary.
Glorious stroke from Gurbaz. Taken by surprise with an extra lift.
Good comeback, and any youngster watching how to play.
Solid. Looking to attack this chance. It's a good pace from Nahid.
Or 3 days deliveries before.
Gets the edge, flies over the slip and down to the boundary for 4. He's taking chances because it was a free hit. A flourishing blow from Gurbaz.
Pick outside edge, through the kitchen sink at it.
Solid. He's middling this time around, Gurbaz. 5 overs have been bowled here at the Rajasthan.
Bit of stiffness in his arm.
Poor delivery. Just a single outside the off stump, further turning away.
We took a both in the circle. Will Gurbaz
Swung away. Mighty stroke from Gurbaz. It's on the grassy banks for 6. Superb ball striking.
nothing wrong with the delivery. Sun from nowhere, a big shot come.
A bit of extra bounce, works through the onside for a single. There was a bit of conference between keeping the wind factor in mind, maybe.
Tonight runner playing for the first time in this.
Weight given, airborne. Just a single, just reaching a delivery.
47 runs, just died.
Edge is found, it's coming fine for 4. Boundary to finish the 7th over, 50 up for Afghanistan.
Also without losing a single wicket. Wonderful start for Afghanistan. Maybe just sliding down the leg side, or maybe Afghanistan to cash in.
Well, these two
Finish off things nicely. That's off the pad, and I should go away to yet another boundary.
Gurbaz.
Yeah, when you come across a surface like this, it's important. The call is for. It's important that the bowlers bowled of 57, the current partnership. Oh, nice, very nice. Didn't try to hit it too hard, but what was important to pick up the gap. So he pieces the gap between the cover next to the cover fielder for yet another boundary.
Yeah, just taking cue from what you said, what was important was he played it on the back foot.
Good comeback delivery. Turned, bounce, beats the bat.
Hughes appeal. He's taking his time and he's given him up. He has given him out. Well said, Gurbaz has been given out by the on-field umpire. He's taking.
You're in the screen now.
Gurbaz at the injury in the previous game, looking for another control. Pulled away. Patience in world cricket, particularly.
Yeah, the most iconic growers and Ibrahim are trying to join that elite, putting on 99 in something of note.
Later as well between Gurbaz and punches through the offside. He's going to take a run here. Half century for Ibrahim. Very, very impressive half century internationals.
Have a look at those stats.
And is brought up.
A really, really good score. This time, smart batting, smart shot, 4 more.
It has taken them 39 deliveries to get this boundary away. Knocks it down the ground for a single.
12.
Siddiq has taken in clusters. That's what they need at the moment.
Economy of under 4. Coming down the track, Ibrahim Zadran plays this aerial and goes for a maximum as I'm joined in the com box by Parvez Maharouf. Maha, welcome.
The previous game, 95 Ibrahim's.
And straight away, very much textbook. Last 30 deliveries. Early on, I was talking to Ibrahim Zadran and be better.